Yeah.
It's all done. I gotta get the glove thing.
You are not taking it out. You gotta hold the camera.
Please.
No, only adults can take it out.
Okay.
So we gotta push times or cancel. Open this up. Move out of the way.
Looks very hot.
It's hot. Whew. Check it out. How's it look? Pretty good?
Mm-hmm. Greasy.
With the boiling. And that is how you make salmon. Get the vegetables out. He put some vegetables in there because we had made them yesterday. He warmed them up. Check and see if they're all warm or if they're cold still. Nice and warm. Isaac had some surgery on his teeth today. Let me see. Got a big old cheek. That's why his cheek looks like that. But we'll be okay tomorrow, right, Isaac?
I hope not, because I won't go to school tomorrow.
All right, sign out.
Huh?
Logging off.
Bye-bye.
We're going to have a good dinner.